Hi, I'm Rachel Richardson. I'm a licensed nutritionist and registered dietitian with Nutrilution in South Beach, Florida. In this clip, we're going to talk about making your own homemade bodybuilding shakes. And this is very, very easy to do, and I highly recommend that if you are a bodybuilder, that you look at getting extra nutrients beside just what you get in your diet. So actually I've brought with me this one product that I personally love, and the product itself can be pretty easily replicated by combining these amino acids, but it does include the amino acids glutamine, arginine, ornithine, lysine, and glycine. And together, these amino acids actually help to stimulate your HGH levels and can bring your, actually repair to different organ tissue, or different, soft tissues such as your muscle, your cartilage, and your ligaments. I've personally used this to help repair knees with my clients, with myself, and with my loved ones. And basically you can add this to a shake that also includes things like avocados, coconut milk, different kinds of milk, frozen fruit, and protein powder to make an excellent bodybuilding homemade shake for yourself. This has been Rachel with Nutrilution in South Beach, Florida.